Hello everyone, my name is Hauke from ownCloud, and I would like to tell you something about a new feature from ownCloud X called guest users. Let's assume you work in a marketing department and you constantly need to share files and folders with an employee from an external marketing agency. You could use the public link feature to share files with him, but doing so, the receiver of the link can only use the web interface and has to download the files and upload them again if he changed something. In addition to that, it's not completely visible inside the audit log who actually accessed the files, because the receiver can easily forward the public share link to someone else. To avoid that situation and to give external users access to the different ownCloud clients like the Sync client or the iOS app, we came up with something called a guest user. ownCloud users have now the possibility to create a guest user that has to be identified by an email address. The special thing about the guest users is that they don't have own storage space to put files in. They can only work on shares that are provided to them. Let's have a look on how to create and share a file with a guest user. So the first thing I need to do is to log into my ownCloud as the user Hauke. So I will log in now. And then I have a folder here that I want to share with my party from the external marketing agency. So I click on the share link, and now I have basically two options here. I have the user and groups sharing, and I have the public links. And I want to create a new guest user now. So what I need to do is type in a name, and let's call him Hauke. And I want to add myself as a guest. So this is what I need to click here. Then a new window opens up, and I need to provide an email address. And as soon as I click Save and Share, I will receive an email that wants me to create a password for that user, and that also has a link to the shared files. I just received an email from my ownCloud server containing a link to this site in order to change the password for my guest user. So I just pick a password here and click on the Reset Password button and wait a few seconds, and ownCloud will set that password for that user. So now I can log in with my guest account, hauke@ownCloud.com, and the password I just created. It takes some time for the first time. And when this is done, I have the usual ownCloud interface, and I can see the share folder over here. And the cool thing is now that with this login, I can also use the desktop Sync client. I can also use the iPhone app or the Android app in order to access that files that were shared with me. And yeah, that's basically what I wanted to show you from the demo part. With the Guest app feature, you can easily collaborate with external parties and keep full control of your data. For more information, visit us at ownCloud.com.